Hello, I'm David from Winning Solutions. I hope you're having a great day, and thank you for viewing our webpage and templates. At Winning Solutions, we have a huge array of database templates to choose from for almost any business need you have. Buying our developer use versions will get you the entire source code and also allow you to include the template as part of a larger project and customize the database down to the finest detail to meet your company's specific needs. Shrink-wrapped software generally doesn't allow that. You have to use it as is with no customizations. If you don't like the way something works, or want a new feature to be added, or anything of that sort, well, contact customer service. Hopefully they'll get to it in the next update. With Winning Solutions, the licensing is very generous. The app can be used by as many people on as many computers as you want. And applications can be customized to your heart's content by you or anyone else with a knowledge of Microsoft Access. If you don't have this expertise, or know someone who does, Winning Solutions can make any customizations you like, or perhaps build a brand new system from scratch. With Microsoft Access, nothing is ever impossible. If you need it, we can make it happen. Just contact us for a quote. These days, there is understandably a big push for mobile and web-based apps. If that meets your needs better, then we could do that for you too. But Access continues to be a popular tool because it's included with some versions of Microsoft Office, is relatively inexpensive, and is easy to work with for people with limited programming knowledge.
So let's take a look at the Realtor Help Desk ticketing tracking demo. It's quite a mouthful. Okay, so we're going to open this up and we're going to see just a quick note saying the demo version is fully functional. But each time you exit the database, the data will be erased. Obviously, this doesn't happen in the paid version. The paid version also is fully customizable. That's very important. You get the full source code, everything, so you can customize anything. So the templates are templates. They're generally not meant to be used as full-fledged apps. They're meant to be expanded into larger applications and customized, or to be integrated into larger applications. So let's take a look. First thing we're going to do is go to maintain lists. That's where anything or most items that are going to be in drop-down boxes are going to be in there. So this is Realtor Help Desk Ticket Tracking. Okay, so let's put this help desk. So let's put in, let's say, sales appointment, house showing, inspection, mortgage, approval. I'm just kind of making up some categories here. And again, completely customizable. So no matter what type of realty you're in, you can come up with whatever categories you want. And of course, once you have the full version, you can add to these lists. You can add to the lists now, but you can add lists when we get to that. Priority, kind of leave that alone. Status, again, so we'll figure we're helping people with certain categories of tasks. Okay, let's go ahead and save and close this, and let's go into contacts first. So we have some sample contacts in here. Let's go ahead and actually, you know what? Let's double check. To go in. So you can add or edit. Well, I'm just going to edit this one. Realtor. You can add someone's picture here. You can enter phone numbers. And very similar. So we can do a save and new, enter someone new. Again, you can add a photo if you want. I'm not going to add the rest of the information here. You get the idea. I'm going to go ahead and close this. So now we do a search and we have our two the 2 people we entered, plus another sample entry. So we'll go ahead and close that. And then we can go to tickets. There's no tickets here, I don't believe. Of course, these search fields, there's a lot of flexibility here. Whatever I type in here will search any one of the categories where there's a check mark. So if I only want to search person's title, I just leave that one checked. If I only want to search a category, I'll leave that. If I want to search all 4, by default, these will be on. You're going to get an exact or partial match. You can also do match as you type by default. There's no one in here, or there's no tickets in here, so let's do we'll add a ticket. And so let's put it, sales presentation issue. Right. And then we're going to assign it to Mindy. Open by, someone, open date, due date, normal priority, status. And by the way, these drop-downs, the items in these drop-downs are from that maintain list that we saw at the beginning. So anything you put in there, see, we put these in there, we put these different items in there in the maintain lists, and so now they're showing up here. Attachments, just like pictures can be loaded for an individual contact, you can add photos, documents, PDFs, any type of electronic document you can add here. Mainly photos, PDFs, etc. Okay, so this is rather important. It's kind of, I know I put normal, but for priority, but anyway. So we'll go ahead and close that. Okay, and now we see the item appears in our ticket search, and of course we can go and double click here to edit. And the last thing to really show here is the reports. Now, these are kind of generic reports that are put in here. They're not real fancy, but as I said at the beginning, they're meant to be customized. So I don't think we're going to have any closed tickets. Ticket details. And, okay, so we see that we had 2 tickets that we entered here. Or we could do open tickets. Well, I think that'll probably be, okay, that's just more of a listing of the tickets. Again, this can be customized. You can add logos here. You want to change columns, change the order, display different things, add new categories, add new features. This can be customized in any way imaginable, and I can't stress that enough because that's one of the advantages with our templates. It's not like shrink-wrapped software where you buy the program, and then if you don't like it out of the box, well, tough, right? Here, if you hire us to do the customizations, you have direct access to your programmer. So you don't like the color of a form, or something like this, you want due date to be centered, whatever. Just give us a call. Very, very simple. So that takes us through the Realtor Help Desk Ticketing Tracking Database template. So thanks again for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe for more videos, more goodies, more free stuff, and have a great day.